All right, welcome back, people. 2014 BMW 328D. D the diesel. All right, I'll do the oil cooler. Do you have any idea where the oil cooler is? I'll let you know. I just want to give shout outs to everybody in the building. Thank you for the support. Love your polls. Let's get it. Let's do it. Boom. Right, the guy we're looking for is right under these electronic box. And then there's a hose. And right under that hose is the oil cooler. So you're gonna open this. Pa, 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 pa. All right, let's get it. Right. Tum, tum, tum. Tum, tum, tum. There. Right. Now. We're gonna disconnect the thing. Right. Let's remove this. Right. This, put it to the side. This guy right here too. The same. Okay. And then we're gonna disconnect it. You don't have to disconnect it though. Just the way it is, just pull it up. And you have one here. And right over here. Okay. In this case, come off. Okay. Put it to the side. We're gonna work on this side. Yep. You see it right there. We're gonna remove this hose. Okay. Because it's on the way. Giddy. Come through here with a lock pick. Lift it. Alright. You saw that, right? And just wiggle it. It's gonna come off. Okay. It's press on WD-40 or a PV blast. It helps. Are you gonna come through with here? Pull this clip. Okay. You see it, right? Pull that clip. I already pull it up. Gotta remove that hose too. Are you gonna come through? This hose too. Alright, it has the same thing. There's a clip on top. This hose. This hose right here. Are you gonna come through? There's 4 screws like this. This is gonna be a T30. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Here's the 5th. Now pop it off. There's another one over here. Here, right here. Right under this mouth. And now pop it off. Alright. E8. E8. This guy right here. Alright. Then we have this one right here. When you remove the E8, pry this. Pry with a screwdriver. So, alright. Does the oil line. Alright, this is the one right here. He holds the stick. This is small. Do this one. So there was one over here. This one, and then there's another one right there. You see it right here. This one. Now this guy come off. So we have like, you see that one over there? 1, 2, 3. Not that one. 4. That one right there. This one. You got like 4 to 5 of those 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter socket. Alright. Once you remove all those, thing is loose. Ready to come out. Put this thing down, all that, okay? I need both hands to remove it. It's out. Alright, what you're gonna do, the dipstick. You're gonna like turn it, okay? You don't even have to like pull it out or pull it up. Just turn it. Then this guy, it's like this. You're gonna turn it like this. I clean all that. It's not that dirty though, but still clean it. Alright. You clean it, put all clean. Know what I'm saying? Ready to go. Clean all that. Whatever is inside there, clean it too. Get it, do your thing. Alright. So that thing broke right there. This thing also. This is why the cooler fell. Yep. That's part of it. Brittle. Got toasted. It broke. Alright. 2014 BMW 328D. Diesel. Wanna change this guy. If you want to know how to remove all this, watch the video of how to change the oil cooler. Okay, we're gonna change this part. All right, first, what I did, I'm gonna remove this one right here. All right. All right. Then you wanna loose this one right here, just so this won't move around. I'm gonna lose this too. Okay, disconnect the alternator. Disconnect the battery too. The battery is gonna be here in the back, okay, in the trunk on the passenger side. All you gotta do is turn this guy. Turn it, pull it. Here it is. Just disconnect the ground one with a rack or whatever so it doesn't touch it again. Next, this one right here. Just put your prior here, here. It's gonna come up like that. Then you can pull it down. Okay. We're trying to isolate this guy. Okay. Yeah, 2014 2014 BMW 328D diesel. Right. Gotta remove all this in order to remove the coolant hose, neck hose. This guy, because you can get to this and this, but you're gonna have to remove this guy to get to this one. It's gonna be you remove not much to remove. Things that I told you before. Then whatever is on the way disconnected, like the one that goes over here. Okay. Uh, you're gonna have like a 5 10 millimeter bolts, and it's gonna be a little bit sticky when you try to pull it out. And that's for the gasket. That's what diesel does to your engine. All right, so since the gasket broke right here, you're gonna have to get a new gasket. That was the part that was a stick to the engine. It was a little bit difficult to, not difficult, it was just a stick to the intake. It was a stick to the base, the engine. Yeah. So the gasket broke. We need a new gasket. Clean all this. 2014 BMW 328D. If you had the money, you can buy a new intake. Just this part, not the whole thing. This part. If you have more money, you can buy the whole thing. It's up to you. I got the baby right here, you know, entire piece. DD, putting it in. Alright. Then you know it's gonna go over there. Alright, the 6 bolts that hold this guy. You go all the way around. Here, 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 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tied it to 19 Newton or 14 foot-pounds. Alright, this is what I'm using. This is magnetic. The tip is magnetic. Let me walk here 10 because it's 10. I don't want to use a 3/8 extension. It's pretty tight over here. So yeah, pretty much. An adapter 3/8 to a quarter. That's a quarter, right? You know what I'm saying. Right, you torque the bolts, the 6 bolts to 19 Newton meters, which is 14 foot-pounds, more or less 3, which means that you can go like, if it's 19 foot-pounds, you can go -3, which is 16, or plus 3, which is 22. But this is like what they say the mechanics nightmare, torquing to specifications. You don't want to break those bolts. So this is kind of why you need a digital torquing wrench. I want to change this one. Yeah, 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Pull it to the side. You see that yellow thing? Unplug it from there. All right. Then this guy's gonna come off. We're gonna replace this guy. This is it. I'm gonna clean that with a vacuum. You know, brush it and all that. This is the old one. Here. You know that pin gotta go through that hole. Okay, it's gonna line. It has a groove in there. When you tighten these bolts, screws, whatever you want to call it, it's gonna go all the way down here, and that's the limit. You see it, you feel it. Just pop this in, or when you remove it, you feel like it's gonna break. No, it's not gonna break. This plastic is hard. Okay, probably it's carbon. It's not regular plastic. All right, that's pretty much it. Put everything back, man. Let's get in shape. Just gonna put that back. The covers, rice bar. That's it.